Hi guys, my name is Yadava and I'm the student of University of Maryland Eastern Shore. Today's topic is leverage of wind power energy as an alternate source for the airport. Today's topic, I will be going over why did I chose wind power energy as an alternate source. And we will be talking about market leaders, comparison against other alternative sources, and going over facts. Based on known oil reserves and the worldwide consumption rate, most of the estimates suggested that the reserve has only 50 more years of production left in it. So what is this saying? That we cannot rely on the current source of energy that we are using from the fossil fuel. We have to find alternate source of energy. 89% we are still dependent on fossil fuel energy. The price, as we all know, the price is going higher and higher. The natural gas prices, all these fossil fuel prices are going higher, and that's when again we are trying to find alternate source of energy. And there is one more pictorial showing that what are the demand. Most demand is for the coal. Again, majority is still depending on fossil fuel. These are the other types of alternative source of energy: nuclear, hydropower, solar, hydrogen, biomass, wind. And this pictorial or the graph is showing wind power energy. It's only cost 5 cents to create kilowatt hour energy. In comparison to the other alternative sources of energy, wind is still cheaper. Again, my topic is wind energy, so I will be talking more about it. Wind power is produced by using wind generator to harness the kinetic energy of wind. So it is again in worldwide popularity. So world is looking into it as an alternative source of energy, and it is very effectively, and I will show you how. This pictorial is showing, even though it is in 2008, and we can predict the term that in 2008 it only went up all the way up to 120 gigawatt, and as we see over here, United States is 20.6 gigawatt is being already produced in 2008. These are the major companies that are involved in wind power energy, and these are the countries that are already utilizing wind power energy as their major sources and having a market shares involved in wind power energy. One of the great advantages of wind power energy is it is ample amount. It is renewable, and it could be captured effectively, and due to the fact that energy is renewable, and it could be the generation will come here, and with much more technology that I wanted to take, it will be created more effectively. Once the wind turbine is built, the energy is produced does not cause greenhouse gas or other pollutant. So we're not worrying about CO2 or other greenhouse gas which will be emitted later on. And it is remote. In the remote area, we could take this wind power energy and we could generate energy right there. We don't have to depend on the cables in the old ways. Wind turbines are available on the range of sizes. Again, this is the matter of design. Wind energy is also advantageous over traditional method of creating energy. This is a pictorial as well as the graph is showing how wind is more efficient in comparison to the other alternate source of energy. Is moderately and small and 42% efficiently produced. What I propose, my proposal was to use wind power energy as alternate source of energy for the airport. And with the alternate power of alternate source of energy, which is wind power, we could use wind power at the coastal area. We can plant it over there and plant it at the riverside, and we could also plant with the airport vicinity, within the airport itself. I know it's everybody will be thinking about safety, but again, it's a design factor. We could come with that design factor. As the technology will be improving, and this fact is showing 16,880 megawatt was created in 2007. Wind energy was generating capacity of worldwide at 94,112 megawatt in 2007, and at the last 48 billion kilowatt in 2008, which was just 1% of the United States electricity supply, about 4.5 billion houses. Amount of carbon dioxide is created by fossil fuel. It will take 17,000 squares of miles of forest to absorb all the CO2 was emitted by it. U.S. wind energy potential estimated about 10,777 billion kilowatt annually, more than twice the electric generated in the U.S. today. Though alternate energy of wind power energy is so efficiently, it does come with some disadvantages, and which are, it does have a noise problem. People are concerned, EOC is concerned, environmental people concerned about noise pollution, which is under the ocean, and also predicting the disadvantages that the wind will stop and will not be able to generate any kind of energy, and how many times that is happen. That's why one of the reasons I'm trying to put the wind power energy at the coastal or the riverside energy, because the land breeze and the sea breeze will be continuing every time. These are the reference that I put my resources through. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Any question, please have it on the website through my CTED 600 class. Thank you very much, folks. Thank you very much.